Hi guys, welcome back. So because I love the colors on my last pour and I have some leftover paints, I want to use them on used canvas. I did a pumpkin spice kind of pour on it, but it didn't work out. So I'm gonna pour these colors in and then I think I'm gonna do a ring pour. I want to layer, do a couple of layers and see what comes out of it because I really enjoyed the colors, the color combinations. These are just craft paints mixed with some glue and water. They're really cheap, cheapest I could get. They dry matte, so I like to add a little bit of a shimmer. This is the IKEA Gold. I'm gonna go with the red, or this is the magenta. Orange. Let's see. I'm gonna do a little bit of gold. Maybe a little bit more. And I'm gonna do another layer. I'm using a cupcake holder. It's silicone. And oh, I like the silicone because it cleans really easy. Just let the paint dry and it comes right out. I put on my flash so I hope you can see the colors a little bit better because it's a really dark and gloomy rainy day. It's really getting ready to go to winter, but it's still quite warm. This morning it was like 11, I think 11 degrees Celsius. I have no clue what that is in Fahrenheit, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna end with some gold. It looks so pretty in the cup. Okay, let's pour. Okay, look at the sparkle. Let's see. I think I might want to wreck it just a little bit. Okay. I hope I've got enough paint on here. think I don't have enough paint on my canvas. Oh, oh. Messy me. Because I want to rush everything. I might have to actually pour another one on here. Or maybe put some black on it. Do you have some bubbles in there? I think I'm gonna leave it to dry, and then I'm gonna paint this area black. And I think that would look pretty. So I'll be back. So I'm back for part number 2. I stretched it out a little bit more to this side and I made some drips. And I've got this, I'm gonna put on the flash, Galaxy Black I made by just scraping some pores. And I'm gonna try and pour it on this side without going in. So pray for me, please. And I'm done. So let's see how this dries. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you the shimmer on this piece. It's still soaking wet, but look at it. Isn't that pretty?